We'll guide you through how to download and install apps on an ASUS laptop or computer. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. There are different apps you can go and get for different things. For example, you may want to go and get an app for your work, like to have your meetings or to go and complete different tasks, or alternatively, you want to go and get some games. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. Now, there are different ways you can go and download apps as well. For example, you can go and get them straight from the developer or manufacturer, or you can go and browse through apps. We're going to guide you through the different ways you can go about it. So make sure this full guide and you can decide what way is going to go and work best for you. So the first way we're going to guide you through is getting it straight from the developer. So in some cases, you may want to go and get it straight from the developer, and we're going to guide you through that. So you can go and open up a web browser. We like to go and use Edge. It's just the default browser. Press search at the bottom and you can type it in if needed. Now here you want to go and search for the app you're looking for. So in this case, I'm looking for the specific app called Streamlabs. Essentially, it's a recording and streaming tool. So we can go and type it in. And then we can go and press search. Here it is, streamlabs.com. Make sure you come straight to the developer's site like so. Now you can go and find the download. It will go and vary a little bit depending upon the site, of course, but in general, there's usually a download button at the top or somewhere in the middle, and you should easily be able to go and find it. Click on it and it's now going to go and download. Be patient when this completes, it won't go and take long. When it's finished, you can close out of your browser and you can go and open up your file explorer. Press downloads to the left and you can then go and find it. Go and double click on it and we can start the installer. You'll get a Windows security pop-up you need to agree to. Make sure you read through and agree to this here. And then we can go and press install and go and wait for this to complete. It may need to install some other things, but usually that will go and handle itself. So you can just be patient. You could then select run and press finish and that will launch. Otherwise, you can always go and press search at the bottom and search for it. You can then go and use it and set up the app. Now for the next way, and that's going to be using the App Store on our computer. So you can go and press search at the bottom and go and type in Microsoft Store. Now, this is a great way of browsing apps. You may go and find not every app you want is in here though, which is why I like to go and get it from the developer's site in some cases, but there is a lot of apps and games in here. So you can go to left and press apps or gaming, depending upon what you're looking for, and you can then scroll through here and browse what you want. Let's go and say I wanted to go and get Canva here. I could then go and click on it, and you'll go and see the option for install, and you can then click on it and go and wait for this to go and download. Wait for it to complete, it won't take long, so it is a bit of an easier process than getting it from a developer really. Then you can open it up, or we can go and see the shortcut here, and of course you can always go and search for it at the bottom.